Friends, I am Vaibhav from Vaibhav E-Learning Academy. Today we are going to start a new topic in Maths class 9, that is lines and angles. This is going to be one video in which we will complete the whole chapter. In today's video we will be covering these topics. What are lines? What are angles? What are transverse lines? What are parallel lines? And what is the angle sum property of triangle? So with all these topics, we will complete today's video. So let us start. So lines and angles. What are lines and what are angles? So before moving on, what are the uses of lines and angles in our day-to-day life? So everything which we see in our day-to-day life is made up of these lines and angles. If you see this marker, this is a line segment. If you see this board, it is a line segment. If you see one part of that board, it has angles. If you take any two objects and if you align them like this, it makes an angle, and this angle is used in our day-to-day life everywhere. So now according to this topic, we have the first thing, which is line. Now we all know from starting everything about lines. So let us have one very quick recap about all the points about these lines. So we have some basic terms. Like the first term, we are having point. Now what is a point? A point is nothing but just a dot, and you can say this is A. So you can name this as point A. Second, we are having line. Now what is a line? A line is a series of dots. So a lot of points connected together is called a line. This is point A, this is point B. We represent this as AB with the line. We have learned everything about this, but this is a revision. Then ray. What is a ray? It has one starting point but no ending point. A and B. You can say ray is a part of a line. If you take one part starting, for example, over here, from here if you forget this part, from here if you continue, this is a ray. So ray is a part of a line. Now this is represented as AB with the bar. This is called ray. After that we have line segment. Line segment. Now from this line can be extended both directions. Ray can be extended only in one direction. From this line, if you take one part, for example from here to here, so if you take one segment from the line, that is called a line segment. So like this, A, B. This is called a line segment. It is a segment of the line. So this is represented as like this, line segment AB. These were all the basic terms about lines. Now this line about like points, line, ray, line segment. These are points about line. These points will be continuing later on in this video, but after we discuss about angles. Again now, there are some very basic terms regarding angle. First of all, what is an angle? What is an angle? If you take one ray and if you take another ray like this, so let us say A, B. They have their tail. This is the tail, this is the head. Or you can say this full thing as arm. They are attached at one point O. So between them there is this inclination called angle. This is angle. Now there are many different types of angles. So the first type is 0 angle or 0 degree angle, where theta is equals to 0. So what I am taking this angle, we are representing as theta. So if theta is equal to 0, then it is called a 0 degree angle. It means you can represent it like this. This is A and B. So A comma B. This is 0 degree. Second one, we are having acute angle. Now what is an acute angle? When theta is greater than 0 degree but it is less than 90 degree. If theta is greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree, that angle is called an acute angle. For example, this is A, this is B, this is the theta. Now this is not a 90 degree and this is not a 0 degree. So that is an acute angle. Next we are having right angle. Now what is right angle? When theta is equals to 90 degree, then you call this as a right angle. So this is the A, this is the B. This is called right angle. Then after that we have obtuse angle. When theta is greater than 90 and less than 180 degree, this angle is called an obtuse angle. A, B. Next, after obtuse angle, we are having straight angles, where the theta is equals to 180 degree. A, B at a point O, and this is 180 degree. So this is called a straight angle. Next, we are having reflex angle. If the theta is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree, then it is called as a reflex angle. For example, this is angle A, this is angle B, this angle is called as a reflex angle. And after that, the seventh one is the complete angle. Complete angle, where the theta is equals to 360 degree. This is angle A and this is angle B, and the revolution is complete. So from where it is 0 degree, it is like this. Then you raised it a little bit. This is an acute angle. This is a right angle. After that, this is an obtuse angle, straight angle. This is a reflex angle. Reflex angle. Then this is the complete angle. So these are about the different angles. These are the basic angles which we know from the start. Then we are also having some pairs of angles. There are two types of pairs of angles. So one pair is when you will get in transversal, and the second pair is usually when you are representing some angles. Usually you get some angles, right? When you are drawing some angles. So usually in day-to-day life, when you are solving some problems, then you get some angles. That is one type of a pair of angle, and the second type will be coming with transversal lines. When two lines are there and it is being intersected by another line, that is something different. Those are different pairs of angles. So here, eighth one. So first we are having these complementary angles. Complementary angles. Complementary angles, what are these angles? So if two angles, their sum is equal to 90 degree. So you can say angle A, or you can say X plus Y is equals to 90 degree. This is a complementary angle. After that, we are having supplementary angles. Supplementary angles. When angle X and angle Y are equal to 180 degree, that is called a supplementary angle. Angle X plus angle Y equal to 90 degree. What does it mean? For example, this is point O, this is A, this is B, and this is C. We know that this completely is a 90 degree or a right angle triangle. Now angle AOB, this is one angle X, and angle BOC, that is one angle Y. So X plus Y is equals to 90 degree. So imagine angle X is equals to 30 degree. Angle Y is equals to 60 degree. Okay, this is 90 degree. For example, angle X is 45 degree. Angle Y is 45 degree. Then also it is equals to 90 degree. You can take one more case, something like this. this is angle x, this is angle y. 15 degree plus 75 degree, it is equals to 90 degree. So any one pair of angle, if you add them, if you get 90 degree as your answer, that is complementary angle. Similarly, supplementary angles. Supplementary angles, if you add two angles, you will get 180 degree. What is 180 degree? A, B with the center O. So if you take one line like this, C. Now if you take angle AOC, angle AOC is equals to angle X, and angle COB or angle BOC is equals to Y. So we know that angle A, this line AOB is equals to 180 degree. So we can say that angle X plus angle Y is equals to 180 degree. Now this angle X can be like 80 degree plus 100 degrees is equals to 180 degree. Or what if your angle C is perpendicular? So you can say that 90 degree plus 90 degree is equals to 180 degree. So similarly, etc. If one pair of angles, if you add them and if you get your sum as 180 degree, that pairs of angles are called supplementary angles. Let us see some more few types of angles. So now we are going to the next type of angle, which is adjacent angle. Adjacent angle. What are adjacent angles? So if, let me add the definition here. If two or more angles arise from the same vertex and they have one arm common, they are called adjacent angles. So if two or more angles arise from the same vertex and they have one arm as a common, then they are called adjacent angle. What is the meaning? So let us take one point O. From here we have one A, B, C. Now if two or more angles arise from the same vertex, more than two angles are arised. Sorry, two angles are arised here, right? X and angle Y. Then, and they have one arm common. So here, angle AOB and angle AOC. Okay. So now, if you are taking this angle AOB and angle AOC, here you have AO as the common. So can you say AOB and AOC? Sorry, AOB and AOC, are they both adjacent? If you take one more example over here, a complicated one like this, where there are three angles like this, then you are having this center O, A, B, C, D. This is one angle X, this is one angle Y, this is one angle Z. Then here, angle AOB, angle AOC, angle AOD. So these angles, see, there are also angle BOC, there are also angles COD, but here we are taking adjacent angles. Adjacent means which are next to each other. So AOB, AOC, AOD, these three are adjacent angles. Even the before problem, AOB is adjacent to AOC. So they have the same vertex, that is O. They have one arm common. This AO is the common arm, and then hence they are called adjacent angles. So this was about adjacent angle. After that you are having linear pairs of angle. So linear pair and supplementary angles both are almost equal. This was about adjacent angle. After that you are having linear pair. Linear pair. Linear pair means same. Angle X plus angle Y is equals to 180 degree. So the examples which we had, 90 degree. So 90 degree plus 90 degree is equals to 180 degree. Or else you can take 70 degree plus 110 degree is equals to 180 degree. So here 70 degree and 110 degree are called linear pairs. So if there is O, B, A, C. If this is 30 degree, then what is this? These type of questions will come with linear pair. So AOB is a straight line. You can see that. So if this is totally 180 degree and this is 30 degree, how will you find angle X? So we can say that angle X plus 30 degree is equals to 180 degree. Angle X is equals to 180 minus 30, 150 degree. So angle X is equals to 150 degree. So these are the questions which you can solve with the help of the concept of linear pair. Next, after linear pairs, we are having intersecting and non-intersecting. Transverse is the next one. Intersecting and non-intersecting lines. So as the name suggests, intersecting means the lines will meet each other. Next one is intersecting and non-intersecting lines. So, for example, there is one line segment or line like this. Okay, there is a line like this. So, is this intersecting or non-intersecting? This is line AB, this is line CD. So, you can say that this is an intersecting lines. Okay. Now, are these lines intersecting? This is line AB, this is CD. Are these lines intersecting? They are not intersecting. No. Intersecting. So these are intersecting lines, these are non-intersecting lines. Now in intersecting lines, there is one property of angles which is called vertically opposite, or you can say opposite angles, vertically opposite angles. So here if you see this angle and this angle, so angle 1, angle 2, these both are equal. So here you can say that angle 1 is equals to angle 2. Similarly here angle 3 and angle 4, angle 3 is equals to angle 4. So this is called vertically opposite angle. These are vertical and they are opposite to each other. So vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. In non-intersecting lines, there is no angle formed. Now, one question. See, if this is intersecting and if this is non-intersecting, then if you are taking one line like this and if you are taking one line like this, A, B, C, D, are these intersecting or non-intersecting? The answer is this is intersecting. How is this intersecting? Now it is not intersecting, but if you project it a little bit forward. So at this point O, they will intersect. And why are you extending it in front? Because this is a line and line can be extended in both the directions. Even if you take a ray from here also, it can be intersected. But this is a line, that's why you are extending it. If it is a line segment, you cannot extend it. So these were all the points about the intersecting and non-intersecting lines. Let us move on to some problems, or let us move on to some concepts. So now we are in exercise 6.1, question number 1. In figure, lines AB and CD intersect at O. If angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree and angle BOD is equal to 40 degree, find angle BOD and reflex angle COE. So first let us write what are the given information. Angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree. Angle BOD is equal to 40 degree. Which is BOD? This one. This angle is 40 degree. This is given to us. and angle AOC plus angle BOE is equals to 70 degree. So AOC BOE, this is equal to 70 degree. So with this figure, what you have to use it till now, whatever we have learned, just that same thing we have to apply over here. So you can see that these both lines are transversing each other. Line CD, and if you take this line E, if you project this a little bit backwards, you will find that this is an intersection. And for intersection, this angle, or you can take even this line, this AB and CD, even they both are intersecting. Even they are intersecting, right? So angle this one is equals to angle this. Angle BOD. So for first question, angle BOD is equals to angle AOC. Why? Because they are vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. So if this is 40 degree, then this is also 40 degree. So let us mark it over here, 40 degree. So now with this what we got? Angle AOC is equals to 40 degree. Now next they have given angle AOC plus angle BOE is equals to 70 degree. This is given. Angle AOC plus angle BOE is equals to 70 degree. Angle AOC is equals to 40 degree. We proved it. So 40 degree plus angle BOE is equals to 70 degree. Angle BOE is equals to 30 degree. So angle BOE, this is equals to 30 degree. So what was our first question? We have to find angle BOD. So angle BOD, we have to find angle BOE actually. BOD is already given 40 degree. So angle BOE we have to find, and angle BOE is equals to 30 degree. So this is our answer for question number 1. So what we did here, in first question they had asked us to find angle BOE. This angle we have to find. They had given angle BOD. This is 40 degree. If this is 40, this is also 40. Why? Because AB and CD are intersecting at one point. If they both are intersecting, angle AOD and angle COB, they will also be equal. This angle AOD and angle BOC, that will also be equal. Why? Because they are intersecting. So vertically opposite angles, angle BOD and angle AOE are equal. So this one, angle AOC, angle AOC, sorry. So actually angle BOD and angle AOC, this one we found. Angle BOD and angle AOC, these are equal 40 degree. Why? Because they are vertically opposite angles. So if we found this, they have given us that AOC plus BOE is equals to 70 degree. So if you add these both, you have to get 70 degree. So if you add this, substitute this value, you will get angle BOE is equals to 30 degree. This was our part number 1. Now part number 2, we have to find reflex angle COE. For the second part, we have to find reflex angle COE. Now, which is the angle COE? COE. This is the angle COE. We should not find angle COE. We have to find the reflex. Now, what is the meaning of reflex angle? The angle which is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree is called reflex angle. So, this full angle over here, from here to here completely, that angle is called the reflex angle. Now, how will you find that angle? If you add all these angles, so angle COA plus angle AOD plus angle DOB plus angle BOE, if every angle, if you add them, that value is equals to reflex of angle COE. In any question, if they ask angle COE, then we have to find this. But they have asked reflex, so except that, every angle we have to find. So, reflex angle COE. So actually AOB is a line, okay? Or else what you can do is AOB, you can see that it is a 180 degree, it is a straight line, and angle BOD is equals to 40 degree. So there are two ways over here. Either you take AOB completely as 180 degree, or this is 40 degree, then fully will be 180 minus 40, this will be 140 degree. So I am going to take angle AOB plus angle AOC plus angle BOE. Okay, angle AOB, this full angle downside, angle AOC, the upper side, and angle BOE, this upper side. So angle AOB is 180 degree. Angle AOC, this is 40 degree. Angle BOE, this is 30 degree. So what answer did you get? So it is 0. -250 So reflex angle COE is equals to 250 degree. This was our second part of the question. So in the first part we had to find angle BOE. The angle BOE we found 30 degree. In the second part we had to find reflex angle COE. So what we did was, except that angle, we calculated the sum of every other angle. So that the total sum of all those angles is equal to the reflex of angle COE. Now let us move on to the next question. So now we have a next question over here. In figure, lines XY and MN intersect. This is one important line. Intersect at O. If angle POY is 90 degree and angle A is to B is 2:3, find angle C. Now here XY and MN. This is XY, this is MN. They are intersecting each other. So angle POY is 90 degree. So what here we have given is the information XOY. So angle XOY is equals to 180 degree, because we can just see and tell it. And this is 180 degree, out of which there are three parts in this. Angle YOP, angle POM, and angle MOX. They have given us angle POY is equals to 90 degree. So angle POY is equals to 90 degree. This is given. Okay. Thus angle XOP will also be equal to 90 degree. Why? Because it is a linear pair. Instead of writing like this, even if you want to detail it and write, then you can say that 180 degree minus 90 degree is equals to angle XOP. Totally 180 degree, this is 90 degree. So you can say 90 degree is equals to angle XOP. That's what I have written here. Angle XOP is equals to 90 degree. Now if this is 90 degree, angle A and B, angle A and angle B are parts of that angle. So this totally angle A plus angle B is equals to 90 degree. Okay. If angle A plus angle B is equals to 90 degree, what do you call them? You call them complementary angles. So they are given in the ratio 2:3. If you have to find from ratio 2 the numbers, you have to just add x and add. So 2x plus 3x is equals to 90 degree. 5x is equals to 90 degree. X is equals to 90 degree by 5. X is equals to 18 degree. Now x is 18. So we can say that angle A is equals to, they have given 2x, which is equals to 2 into 18. 2 into 18, 36 degree. And angle B is equals to 3x. 3 into 18, 57 degree. If you want to check whether that is correct, so you can check as angle A plus angle B is equals to 90 degree. 36 plus 54 is equals to 90 degree. 90 degree is equals to 90 degree. So you can say that angle A and angle B are they are actually 90 degree equal, complementary angles. From this we got that angle A is equals to 36 degree and angle B is equals to 54 degree. Now if angle A is 36 degree, we have to find angle C. This is angle C. this completely x or y is a straight angle. Straight angle means 180 degree. So angle B, you can take one extra angle over here, angle x. Now instead of angle x, take angle Q. Angle B is equals to angle Q. You can take random angles if you want. Angle B is equals to angle Q. Or instead of taking angle Q, you can directly take the value itself. So angle B is equals to angle YON. YON. Angle B is 54 degree. So angle YON is equals to 54 degree. Now from this you can say one more thing. This x or y is a straight line, straight angle, 180 degree. So if this is 180 degree and this we are given as 54 degree, then angle XON or angle C, what? So angle C plus angle or 54 degree is equals to 180 degree. Why? Because it is a linear pair. Linear pair. So angle C is equals to 180 degree minus 54 degree. So angle C is equals to 126 degree. And that's what we had to find. Find angle C. So what we did over here? So angle POY is equals to 90 degree. This value is 90 degree. If this is 90, this is also 90. Why? Because it is 180 degree. And if it is 90, it is called complementary angles. Complementary angles, if you add those both angles, you will get 90 degree. And after substituting the values, you got X, then you got angle A and angle B. After finding angle A and angle B, you can say that angle B is equals to angle YON. Why? Because it is vertically opposite angles. So since it is vertically opposite angles, you can say that this both angles are equal. If you found this angle 180 degree fully minus this angle will give you this angle. So angle C is equals to 126 degree, and that is how we got the answer for this question. Now let us move on to our next question. Let us see. So now we have our next question over here. In figure, angle PQR is equals to angle PRQ. Then prove angle PQS is equals to angle PRP. So PQR and PRQ, these angles are equal. We have to prove angle PQS and angle PRT are equal. So they have given us angle PQR is equals to angle PRQ. What is angle PQR? Angle PQR is 180 minus angle PQS. So 180 degree minus angle PQR is equals to, see what I am doing here is multiplying both the sides by 180 and minus. So here also, so here we are adding 180 here, 180 here, and minus minus we are multiplying on both the sides. So 180 minus angle PRQ. 180 minus angle PQR. This full is 180. So you take this part, 180 here if you take. This full is 180 degree. Angle PQR is one angle. So fully 180 minus this part is equal to this as PQS, right? So 180 degree minus angle PQR. Fully 180 minus PQR is equals to angle PQS. Similarly, fully 180 degree minus angle PRQ. PRQ. If you subtract this angle from this full 180 degree, what will you get? PRT. Hence proof. That's all. This is the question. So here actually angle PQR is equals to angle PRQ. So what we did is 180 degree we added on both the side and we multiplied minus. So if you multiply minus, or instead if you think logically, if you have to find PQS. So if you subtract 180 degree minus angle PQR, you will get PQS. Similarly, 180 degree minus angle PRQ is equals to angle PRT. That's what we did and we got our answer over here. Let us move on to the next question. So now we have our next question over here. In figure, if x plus y equals to w plus z, then prove angle AOB is a line. So here x plus y is equals to w plus z. If you see carefully, x, y, w and z, they all together form 360 degrees. Or we have to prove that AOB is a line. So if they are giving prove AOB is a line, then you know that AOB is a line. AOB is actually a line. That is why we have to prove it. And how we have to prove it, that we have to actually show. If AOB is a line, then these both angles, if you add, you will get 180 degree. Similarly, these both angles, if you add, you will get 180 degree. And completely it is already visible that it is a 360 degree. So you can say that angle x plus angle y plus angle z plus angle w is equals to 360 degree. And x plus y is equals to w plus z. This is given. So if these both are equal, then angle x, or you can say directly x plus y plus w plus z and z plus w, if you substitute this same value, then again you will get x plus y is equals to 360 degree. Now x plus x, 2x. So 2x plus 2y is equals to 360 degree. 2x plus 2y, take 2 common. 2 into x plus y is equals to 360 degree. X plus y is equals to 180 degree. X plus y equal to 180 degree, and x and y are the angles of AOB. So if you add two angles from a line and they are getting 180 degree, then what is this? Linear pair. If it is a linear pair, then both equal to 180 degree, and if it is 180 degree, then this completely is a line. So we can say here, hence proved. This was our question. So angle x plus angle y plus z plus w, this completely is 360 degree. So they have given that these both and these both angles are equal. So instead of writing z plus w, or here you can write w plus z, both are same. So w plus z, instead of this you can write the same value. You will get 2x plus 2y 360 degree. 2 you took common and then you substituted it, and you got x plus y is equals to 180 degree. Now let us move on to the next question. Let us see. So now we have our next question. In figure, POQ is a line. Ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ. OS is another ray lying between OP and OQ. Prove that angle ROS. Angle ROS is half of angle QOS minus angle ROS. So in this type of question, we have to try to get the variables which are given over here. So first, there is OR perpendicular to line PQ. So OR is perpendicular to PQ. It means that this angle and these angles are 90 degree. So you can say that angle POS plus angle SOR is equals to 90 degree. So angle POS plus angle SOR or ROS is equals to 90 degree. Next, angle QOS minus angle ROS is equals to QOS minus ROS is equals to 90 degree. This also you can take as ROS. So angle QOS minus angle ROS is equals to 90 degree. So now we got all the variables ROS, QOS, POS. So this is our ROS, this is our QOS, and this is our POS. So we have to do something that this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. So we have to do something with these two equations that none of them get cancelled. So if you subtract equation 2 from equation 1, so equation 1 minus equation 2, subtracting 2 from equation 1, then angle POS plus angle ROS is equals to 90 degree minus angle QOS plus angle ROS, this is minus, right? Minus angle ROS is equals to 90 degree. So So if this is minus, all these signs will get changed. This will also become minus, this will become plus, this will become minus. This value will be 0. So from this what you will get? Angle POS minus angle QOS is equals to ROS plus ROS is equals to 2 of ROS. So 2 of angle ROS. So same, we almost reached that equation. So if this 2, if you bring it over here, it will become 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into angle POS minus angle QOS is equals to angle ROS. 1 by 2 of angle QOS minus angle POS. This minus of minus, this will become actually plus and this will become here minus. So here it is, sorry, it's angle QOS minus angle POS is equals to angle ROS. So here actually it is minus, then this minus, this plus sign will become as minus, and this minus sign will become as plus. So angle ROS and ROS is equals to 2 into angle ROS. So POS minus of minus plus. So this POS will become minus because you are subtracting both the equation. Thus you will get angle ROS is equals to half of angle QOS minus angle POS. This was our question. And now let us move on to the next question. Let us see. So now we have our next question over here. Angle XYZ is equals to 64 degree and angle XO and XY is produced to point P. If ray YQ bisects angle ZYP, find angle XYQ and reflects angle QYP. So before moving on to this question, they did not give us the diagram over here first. So first of all, we have to draw a diagram by ourselves. So angle XYZ. So take a typical angle XYZ. Okay, this is one angle, and that angle they have given 64 degree. Okay, 64 degree. XY is produced to point P. So this you can take, you can bring it back to some point over here P. This is point P. If ray YQ, so there is no Q, right? They have given ray YQ bisects angle ZYP. ZYP. YQ is bisecting them. Okay. Find angle XYQ and reflects angle QYP. So QYP reflects you have to find. Same reflects means everything other than that angle. So first one we have find angle XYQ. XYQ. So this completely is 180 degree. XYP is a line. So 64 degree. This is totally a line. This is 64 degree. So this so this is 64 degree, right? So angle or else 64 degree plus angle ZYP is equals to 180 degree. Why? Because it is a linear, or you can say it is a straight line. So what actually I did is, this is XYP, this completely is a 180 degree, this is 64 degree, then this remaining is 180 minus 64. Now angle ZYP is equals to 180 minus 64, 116 degree. So angle ZYP, this angle completely we got 116 degree. Now we know that YQ bisects ZYP. ZYP, it is being bisected. Bisect means dividing an angle into two different halves. So you can say that angle ZYQ plus angle QYP is equals to 116 degree. ZYP, so angle ZYQ, this angle, and angle QYP, this angle. Now angle ZYQ is equals to angle QYP, bisect. So angle ZYQ, this angle and this angle are equal. Why? Because they have given it bisects. So we can say 2 into angle ZYQ is equals to 116 degree. Angle ZYQ is equals to 116 by 2, 58 degree. So ZYQ, this angle is equals to 58 degree. What we have to find? Angle XYQ. So angle XYQ is equal to angle XYZ plus angle ZYQ. So you can say angle XYZ. What is XYZ? 64 plus angle ZYQ is 58. Thus you can say that angle XYQ is equals to 64 plus 58. (122 degrees). 64 plus 58, 10 to 12. So 122 degree. This is our question number 1 answer. Okay. Now this was our part number 1. In part number 1, what we did actually, I'll explain this later together. Second, we have to find reflex angle QYP. So QYP, except this angle, everything we have to add. Okay. So reflex angle QYP is equals to, I can directly say PYX. What is PYX? 180 degree. This completely is 180 degree plus angle XYP. Angle PYX is 180 degree plus angle XYP. XY, not P actually, here it is Q, right? So XYQ. Just now we proved XYQ is 122 degree. So 122 degree. Reflex angle QYP is equals to 302 degrees. 210 minus 1. So yeah, 302 degrees. So this is our question number 2. How we did it, let us see. So angle XYZ is equals to 64 degree. Angle XY is produced to point P. XYZ, this is given as 64 degree. This completely is 180 degree. 180 minus 64 is equals to 116. So this angle PYZ is 116. So that we got 116. Now YQ is bisecting this angle. Bisecting is dividing into 2 equal half. So PYQ and ZYQ, these both are equal. So it means that you can take 2 into angle ZYQ 116, ZYQ is 58. We had to find angle XYQ. XYQ, it means that we have to add 64 plus this angle. And this angle we found 58 degrees. So we added them and we got XYQ equals to 122 degree. Next, we have to find reflex angle QYP, so which is easy except that angle. This is 180, this is 64 plus 58, 122. We added that and we got reflex angle. This was our question number 6. Now, let us move on to the concept of parallel lines and transversal lines. There will be introduced to some more different kinds of lines. Then we will learn, we will do some problems regarding that. Then we will learn about angle sum property and then some more problems. So now let us move on to the next topic. So now we are having our next topic, that is parallel lines and transversal. So this is not a parallel line first, these are transversal. So there are 2 lines through which one line is passing. So from 2 or more lines, another line is passing, dividing them into some half. That is called a transversal. Now here you can see some angles. Angle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here angle 1, 2, 7 and 8. These are called exterior angles. And angle 3, 4, 5, 6. These are called interior angles. Okay. Now, with these angles, there are some combinations, and those angles are equal. Some combination of these angles are equal. So here first, angle 1 is equals to angle 5. Similarly, angle 4 is equals to angle 8. Similarly, angle 2 is equals to angle 6. Angle 3 is equals to angle 7. This is called corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. So here 1 and here 5. 1 and 5, they are on the same side. So they are equal. 2 and 6, they are on the same side and on the same location. In the sense that this is on the upper side, this is also in the upper side. 4 and 8, same, and 3 and 7 are also same. So these pairs of angles are called corresponding angles. Then we are having alternate interior angles. Alternate interior. Now what are alternate interiors? First, they are interior angles. Second, they are alternate. So angle 3 and angle 5, they both are interior, but they are alternate. It means that they are not same, they are in the opposite manner. So you can say that they are alternate interior angles. Here examples are angle 3 is equals to angle 5 and angle 4 is equals to angle 6. Similarly, we are having alternate exterior. Alternate exterior, they are exterior plus they are alternate. So angle 1 equals to angle 7 and angle 2 is equals to angle 8. These are alternate exteriors. Then we are having one more pair, that is called interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Interior angles on the same side of the transversal. So, same side of the transversal, this is the transversal line on the same side. So, here you can say angle 3 is equals to angle 6 and you can say angle 4 is equals to angle 5. So, these are the angles which are given in the NCERT book for this transversal. Now, for transversal, we have corresponding angles 1 and 5 are equal, 4 and 8 are equal. Similarly, for alternate interior, these are all the different pairs of angles. So, I said there are two pairs of angles. So, there are two types of pairs of angles. One pair of angles is that supplementary angle and complementary angle, and this is the other pair which I am talking, complementary angle. 1 and 5, this is one pair. 3 and 5, this is one pair. 1 and 7, this is one pair. So, these are the two types of pairs of angles. These pairs of angles come under transversal and those pairs of angles come under normally when we use angles. Second, now parallel lines. Now, parallel lines and transversal means what? It means that there is a parallel line, one pair of a parallel line, and there is a transversal between them. So rather than taking like this, this is AB and this is CD and this is PQ. Now here also, this is angle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now what is the difference between this parallel and transversal? Only one difference is that here you will also find interior opposite angles. And this is one of the one of the most important angles. This because you'll be using even in 11th physics class. In physics also, whenever you'll be talking about vectors, you'll be using these angles everywhere. So for this, only one trick is you can remember a Z. If there is a Z, it means that these are parallel to each other. Then the interior angles, this and this, are equal. So this angle and this angle are equal. If you take like this angle and these angles are equal. This is how you can interior opposite. This is how you can represent interior opposite angles. So here, what are the interior opposite angles? Here, how many Z you can make? You can make only one Z, that too like this. So angle 3 is equals to angle 5. This is one interior opposite angle. Now if angle 3 equal to angle 5, then you can say angle 4 is equal to angle 6 also. Why? Because this is 180 degree completely and angle 3 and 5 are equal. So 180 degree minus angle 3 and 180 degree minus angle 5 both are equal only. So angle 4 will be equal to angle 6. These are interior opposite angle. And here also you will get that same thing, vertically opposite angles. So angle 1 and 3, angle 1 equal to angle 3, angle 2 equal to angle 4, angle 5, 7, angle 6 and 8, these all are vertically opposite angles. This was all about parallel lines and transversal. That is one more important property regarding parallel lines. And this property is worth noting, that if a line is parallel to two or more pairs of parallel angles, parallel lines, then the line is parallel to every line of the parallel line. So here so many parallel lines are there. If a line is parallel to two or more pairs of parallel lines, so for example, so here instead of two, we can even write one only. So here there is one pair, AB and CD. These are one pair of parallel lines. So if a line is parallel to one or more pairs of parallel lines, so AB and CD. Now if you take one extra line, LM. Now if this LM, if a line is parallel to one or more pairs of parallel lines, so for example, if this LM is parallel to AB and CD, AB and CD, this is one parallel line, and if LM is parallel to AB and CD, then that line is parallel to every line of the parallel lines. It means then this LM is parallel to AB, this LM is also parallel to CD. I repeat, if there are one parallel line pairs, AB and CD. Now AB and CD are parallel lines. Now in these parallel lines, if there is one another line which is parallel to these parallel lines, then that line is parallel to each line. If AB and CD, this is one line, LM. If this LM is parallel to this set of lines, then you can say that LM is parallel to AB and LM is parallel to CD. These are the concepts of parallel line and transversal. So, in the part 1 of the one shot, in this video, we have completed till here. In the next video, exercise 6.2, every question and the angle sum properties will be continued. Till then, take care. See you next time in the next video. Like this video and share this video if you find this informative. See you next time in the next video. Thank you and goodbye.